Well, hello, my students. This is a video on polynomial long division. So what you do is take the bottom term, that's called the divisor, put it out front, then under the division symbol, you put highest power to lowest power, the polynomial on top, that's called the dividend. Then the answer goes on top, and that's called the quotient. Now notice the homework is on Schoology. So if you want to look up the homework, it's there. So anyways, step 1. What do you multiply the first term of the divisor by to get the first term of the dividend? So x times what is x cubed? And that would be x squared. So you put that above the term with the same power, then you actually multiply. So you go x squared times x cubed, then x squared times 2. Now, we're going to subtract. To subtract, you switch the sign and add. So I'm going to switch a sign, then add to the term. Now, the first term should drop out. That's what I want. So 4x squared minus 2x squared is 2x squared. Now you should see this dropped out. Bring down the next term. Start it all over again. What do you multiply this by to get this? So x times what is 2x squared, and that would be 2x. So we'd have 2x squared, 2x times 2 is 4x. Switch a sign, and add. That's how you subtract. This drops out. This would be minus 10x. Bring down the plus 4. What do you multiply x by to get minus 10x? And that'd be minus 10. So multiply minus 10 times x is minus 10x. Minus 10 times 2 is minus 20. Switch a sign, add, that's 24. So this is your remainder. Now the way the book writes it is they put plus, because it's positive, 24 over the divisor. I personally don't care if you just leave it down there and treat it like that. Okay, so let's look at this one. So we have x minus 2. Then highest power to lowest, so x to the 4th. Now notice I don't have an x cubed. I went 4 and then 2, so I'm going to put plus 0x cubed, just to say we don't have one. Then minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 3. So what do you multiply x by to get x to the 4th? And that'd be x cubed. So that'd be x to the 4th minus 2x cubed. So we're going to switch a sign, and then add. That's subtraction. So that'd be 2x cubed. Bring down the next term. Now notice the reason I had the 0x cubed is if you don't, people forget and then try to add it to this one, but you can't. A cube and a square you can't combine. So what do you multiply x by to get 2x cubed? And that'd be 2x squared. So it'd be 2x cubed. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4x squared. Switch a sign. Add, that'd be minus 3x squared. Bring down to 4x. What do you multiply x by to get minus 3x squared? And that'd be minus 3x. So it'd be minus 3x squared plus 6x. Switch a sign, so it'd be minus 2x. Bring down to plus 3. Oops, sorry I hit that out of space. That's my bad. What do you multiply x by to get minus 2x? And that'd be minus 2. So that'd be minus 2x plus 4, switch a sign, that'd be minus 1 is your remainder. And again, if you want to put minus 1 over x minus 2, that's okay with me. If you want to leave it down there, that is okay with me too. So now I'm going to make a synthetic division video.